Want a free or low-cost phone with Assurance Wireless? First, let's break down who qualifies. There are two main paths: income-based and program-based. For income-based eligibility, your household income must be at or below 135% of the federal poverty level. In 2025, that's roughly $24,000 a year for a single person or $49,000 for a family of four. Alternatively, you can qualify if you're enrolled in programs like Medicaid, SNAP, SSI, Veterans Pension, or certain tribal programs. No income documentation needed in that case. You'll also need to be 18 or older, a U.S. citizen or legal resident, live in an eligible area, and not already receive Lifeline benefits from another provider. Remember, only one Lifeline benefit is allowed per household, verified through the National Lifeline Accountability Database. Now that you understand eligibility, gather your required documents. You'll need proof of identity, like a driver's license or passport, proof of address, such as a utility bill or lease agreement, and proof of eligibility, like an income tax return or program ID card. Submit your application online at assurancewireless.com by calling 1-888-898-4888 or by visiting select retailers like Walmart or Best Buy. The online process only takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Most applications are processed within 2 to 4 weeks, with online pre-approval checks available. If denied, you can appeal with additional documentation. Once approved, you'll receive a free phone with talk and text minutes and data. Keep in mind that annual re-verification is required, or whenever your address changes. So, gather your documents and apply today to get connected with Assurance Wireless.